Lot of women are spending money on expensive deep conditioners every month without realizing that 5 simple ingredients sitting in their kitchen may be capable of creating one of the most moisturizing hair treatments they have ever tried. What's even more surprising is that one of those ingredients is often used completely wrong, which could be one of the reasons many people struggle with dryness, breakage, stagnant growth, dry, brittle hair, and their hair never seems to retain length. So if your hair feels dry even after moisturizing it, or your ends keep snapping off, or your hair tangled easily, or is it like your hair has been the same length forever, then stay with me, because today's recipe combines 5 powerhouse ingredients into one rich deep condition treatment. Because those ingredients are loved by many natural hair influencers because they help improve moisture, softness, and manageability. 3 things that can help reduce breakage and support healthy hair retention. But here is the shocking part. Ingredient number 3 is where most people make a huge mistake. And if you are making that mistake too, you may not be getting the full benefit of your deep conditioner. So watch to the end, because I will show you exactly how to make this treatment, the correct way to use it, and the secret step that many people skip. So let's begin. Before we make this recipe, let's talk about something important. Many people think their hair is not growing. But often the problem is not growth, the problem is breakage. Hair can grow from the scalp, but if the end continuously breaking off, it may feel like you are not making progress. That is why moisture matters. Dry hair is more likely to become brittle. Brittle hair is more likely to break. And when breakage happens repeatedly, length retention becomes difficult. That is why many people focus on treatment that help keep hair moisturized, manageable, and less prone to damage. And this is exactly what this recipe designed to support. So let's look at what makes those ingredients special. Our first ingredient is fenugreek. Fenugreek seed has been used in hair care routine for generations. It contains proteins and plant compounds that many people enjoy incorporating into their scalp and hair care routine. Second ingredient is flaxseed. Flaxseed gel creates a slimy gel that helps coat the hair strands and improve the tangle. Our third ingredient is hibiscus. Hibiscus is the ingredient most people use incorrectly. Many people simply throw hibiscus into recipe and use it immediately, but allowing hibiscus enough time to infuse properly can help release more of the compound that make it popular in natural hair care. So as you can see, I make use of 2 tablespoons of my fenugreek, 2 tablespoons of my flaxseed, and 2 tablespoons of my hibiscus. Then I add in water, bring it to a boil. I do not use high heat. I just boil it until the fenugreek seed is softened. Then I off it and go ahead and blend it. So after blending it, I bring a bowl and a shifter to strain it out. Okay, this part is very important so that you don't need any particles of the fenugreek, flaxseed, hibiscus to come in contact in this powerful treatment we are preparing. So use something that have very tiny hole to strain it. Okay, so straining it is very important. No matter how smooth your blender can crush this, make sure you strain it. Okay, so keep on watching for the next step. So after straining it out, this amount of product I got so far. So now let's move on to our fourth ingredient. Our fourth ingredient is avocado. Avocado contains healthy fats that help improve softness and add richness to deep conditioner treatment. So you can make use of 1 avocado or 2 avocado, but make sure your avocado ripe very very well, okay? So if your hair, depend on how your hair is, on how rich you want this your deep conditioner treatment to look like, okay? So for me, I'm going for 2 ripe of avocado. So I just scoop it out and transfer it into my blender cup. So I'll just go ahead and blend it to be very very smooth. So after blending it, I'll still go ahead and strain it again, okay? Please make sure you strain this product very well to avoid having any particles or any lumps on your hair, okay? But as you can see, before I blend it, I add in a little oil to it, okay, for easy blending process. Please add any of your hair growth oil you have, okay? Just add a little amount of it. Do not add water. Please add oil, okay, for better results. So after blending it and strain it out, this is what I have so far. So I'm just trying to combine the ingredients together, the 4 ingredients together very very well, so that they can blend very well before we can move to our final ingredients. The ingredient number 5 is shea butter. Please make sure you add shea butter into this recipe. Shea butter make this treatment more effective and total game changer, especially for those that are dealing with dry hair, brittle hair and lifeless hair. Shea butter will help you to bring back moisture to your hair, prevent that dryness and whatsoever. Don't skip shea butter to this, please and please, okay, for that better result. So I just make use of 2 tablespoons of my shea butter. Then I go ahead to use hot water to melt it. After melting it, then we can move to the next step. Shea butter help lock in moisture and can also help protect your hair from becoming over dry. So when those ingredients are combined, they create a rich treatment designed to leave your hair feeling soft, moisture and easy to manage. These are the ingredients you need to use consistent, and I kid you not, you will never experience dry hair, brittle hair, breakage or lifeless hair. This deep conditioner have designed to help you retain length, lock in moisture, grow your hair, hydrate your hair and keep your hair very very easy to manage. This deep conditioner is very very effective and very very powerful. But the sweetest part is the ingredients are very easy to find around you. If you use this consistent every of your wash day, just be consistent for 2 months or 3 months, I kid you not, you see huge transformation on your hair. There is no joke. You don't need to break the bank before you can have that healthy hair, before you can grow your hair longer, or before you can leave your hair very soft and very easy to manage. If you can be consistent with this deep conditioner, you will notice very huge transformation on your hair, both in easy to manage, in thickness and also in length retention. I'm not joking, guys. Try to use exactly the ingredient we use in this video. I kid you not, you will see the magic start happening on your hair. So after melting the shea butter, then I pour in the shea butter inside the bowl that contain other of our ingredients. Then I will mix it very well. After mixing it, I feel like it's a little bit thick. I go ahead and add a little water to it. So you can add water if you feel like it's a little thicker, or you can use oil, okay? So I just feel like adding water to it, okay, because water is also good in our hair, okay? So after mixing it very well, this is the texture I got so far. Look at this texture, guys. This texture is very rich, creamy, moisturized and packed with powerful nutrients your hair is craving for. Guys, our rich deep conditioner is ready to be used. So now let me show you how to apply this amazing deep conditioner for that crazy hair growth and also to get that maximum length retention. So please listen carefully. Do not use this deep conditioner on a dirty hair. Use it on a fresh wash hair. As the name apply, deep conditioner, meaning is a something that you apply after shampooing your hair. Then go ahead and use it, okay, for that good result, please. And also make sure you do not use it on a dry hair. Use it on a damp hair so that you can get all the good benefits, and also this can work very well on your hair. So my hair is very dry, that's why I'm damping my hair. I just finished washing my hair like some hours ago, so my hair have already got dry. So the next thing now is damp my hair before I can apply this amazing deep conditioner on my hair. So the next thing you must do is to work in session. Working in session help a whole lot. It help you to manage your hair. Make sure that this treatment have coated all the entire of your hair strands, okay. Make sure you work in session, then apply it in a small amount of session that you session from the scalp of your hair to the tip of your hair, okay. It's very, very important, okay. And make sure every strand is coated very, very well with this treatment. Especially pay attention on your ends of your hair, because the ends of your hair are the older part of your hair and more often to break and fragile, okay. So pay attention to the ends of your hair, because this particular treatment can help to strengthen it and prevent that unnecessary breakage from the ends of your hair, so that you can see length retention, okay. So as you apply this treatment gently, also use your finger to detangle your hair. If your hair is matted after shampooing your hair, you are covered with this powerful deep conditioner treatment, because this powerful deep conditioner treatment will help you to detangle your hair without you breaking your hair or feeling pain on your hair, okay. Remember, this deep conditioner contains a lot of sleeves from flaxseed and fenugreek, because fenugreek also have a little sleeves on it, okay. So combine these two ingredients together, you can see that you have a very powerful moisturizing detangler deep conditioner that will help you to less breakage and keep your hair very easy to manage. But before then, make sure you use your finger to do finger detangle. Then go ahead and use white tooth comb. I kid you not, you will see no breakage on your comb. There is no joke. Just follow exactly the way I tell you. Apply it very well. Use your finger to detangle your hair. Then go ahead and use your white tooth comb to comb your hair. You will see no breakage no matter how your hair is matted. And you must work in a little session so that you can achieve the good result, for you not to break your hair. Work in a little session if your hair is matted, okay. This product got you covered, okay. There is no joke. After applying this deep conditioner on the tire of my hair, so the next thing I will do now is to use my steamy cap to steam up my hair like 30 to 45 minutes for better results, for more deeper nourishment and for more deeper conditioner, okay. So if you don't have steamy cap, just use your shower cap to cover up your hair, then wrap your hair with a thick cloth, leave it for 1 hour, okay. You still get that steamy effect, okay. So after applying this amazing powerful deep conditioner treatment to sit on your hair for 30 minutes, 45 minutes to an hour, then the next thing you will do now is to rinse it out with a clean water. I do not say wash it out, I say rinse it out with a water. Please do not use shampoo, just use water to rinse it out, okay. Then after rinsing it out, your hair will never remain the same. Your hair will feel more softer, more moisturized, easy to tangle, and more manageable. There is no joke. This deep conditioner is a game changer. With this deep conditioner, you will never ever buy store bottle deep conditioner again, especially moisturizing deep conditioner again. You will never buy it. I kid you not, I'm not joking. With this particular homemade powerful deep conditioner prepared with powerful ingredients, guys, you have saved yourself a lot of dollars and a lot of naira buying deep conditioner out there, especially moisturizing deep conditioner. This have saved you thousands of dollars and thousands of naira buying store bottle deep conditioner idea. I kid you not, you will never regret preparing it at home, and you never regret applying this on your hair, okay. Now listen carefully. Healthy hair care is about consistent. Try to be consistent so that you can see that huge transformation on your hair. Whether store bottle deep conditioner or this particular homemade deep conditioner, is all about consistent. Okay, no deep conditioner can guarantee dramatically hair growth overnight, no. However, keeping hair moisturized and reducing breakage can help you retain more of the growth your hair naturally produce, and over time that will make a very big difference on your hair growth journey. Okay, so now guys, you have make yourself a very rich deep conditioner treatment made with fenugreek, flaxseed, hibiscus, avocado and shea butter. So guys, if you are dealing with dryness, breakage, stagnant growth, brittle hair, dry ends, or hair that feel impossible to manage, this may be a great additional to your hair routine. Okay, now I want to hear this from you. Which of those ingredients surprised you the most? Is it the fenugreek, flaxseed, hibiscus, avocado, or the shea butter? Please comment below. I am trying this and tell me your biggest hair growth challenge right now. Okay, so guys, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so that you will never miss any other natural hair care recipe from me. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Guys, if you are ready to grow your hair, if you really want to see good change on your hair, please take care of your hair. Stay consistent with your routine and you see the magic start happening. Okay, I love you guys so much for the bottom of my heart, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed. Adia. Bye. Mwah.